welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, I welcome you. Please stick around and subscribe if you do like what you see, and let's get into today's video. I'm going to be doing a little get ready with me Valentine's Day edition, so kind of play around with pinks and reds, I guess, for my makeup. But along with that, I am going to be reading and answering some would you rather questions to make this a little bit more interesting. I'm going to get started with primer because for Valentine's Day I do want my skin looking a little bit smoother for, you know, your Galentine's or your Valentine's date, just smoothing out your pores. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Matte Lock Mattifying Primer. I got this in a mini version because it was like a free gift. One time I think I ordered off of Ulta. But you do just need the tiniest amount, and then I'm going to tap it here and then on my nose, a little bit on my forehead. And it does help to minimize the look of the pores. It makes it smoother, and since I get oily in this part too, that's why I like to use primer on some days. The first would you rather is, would you rather host a Valentine's Day party or be a guest? I do like being a host at parties. At times, of course, you have to do a little bit more work for the cleaning and then the decorating if you want to go all out, but I don't mind it. But for Valentine's, I think I'd rather be a guest because I don't know, it's a holiday that I think I don't want to put that much work into hosting a party at my house. Does that sound bad? I don't know. I'm a horrible person. Concealer next. I'm just taking my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I have the mattifying one and the hydrating one. I just like to use both. I don't know. Weird. And answering the next question, would you rather receive 100 roses or receive 100 pieces of chocolate? I love chocolate, don't get me wrong, but 100 pieces of chocolate? It's a little excessive, don't you think? And then I think they would go bad, because how can I eat? I'm trying to watch what I'm eating here. How can I eat 100 pieces of chocolate without them going bad? So in this case, I would rather receive 100 roses. Roses are my favorite flower anyways, so I wouldn't mind that. And then I could just like split them up into bunches and put them in different vases around the house, and I think that would look beautiful. So I would 100 roses. Would you rather give up all candy for a year, or give up on showers for a year? What kind of question is this? Okay, I'm not gonna give up showers. That's disgusting. I would rather give up candy. I can go without candy, but I can't go without showers. Would you rather have pink hair or purple eyes? Purple eyes. That's gonna be a no for the purple eyes, and I've always wanted pink hair. Imagine me with pink hair. So I can match my shirt right now. No, just kidding. Maybe not this bright, but I have always wanted pink hair. So pink hair for me. Would you rather celebrate Valentine's Day at home or at a fancy restaurant? I'm not too picky. Honestly, I think I'd be fine with either or. This is a hard one. Let me think about it while I apply my foundation. It's just my Revlon. If I had to choose my mood today, I think I'm leaning more towards a Valentine's Day at home. I'm feeling that more today, so that's gonna be my choice. Oh, I like this next one. Would you rather know what animals are thinking or what humans are thinking? Easy for me because I couldn't care less about what people are thinking. Like, I don't, like, okay, I really don't care. But I would be really interested in it, knowing what animals are thinking. Like, imagine if you can just go into their minds and know what they're thinking and like be able to communicate in that way with them. Like, I think I would 100 times much rather know what animals are thinking. But the next one is, would you rather sing in public or dance in public? Hello, do you even know me? Dance? I do it all the time. I don't sing. And trust me, you don't want to hear me singing. Let's set my face now with some powder. I use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus in Translucent along with my Maybelline Fit Me in 130. The next one is, would you rather give up chocolate for 6 months or French fries for 6 months? This one is a struggle for me because I am both a salty person and a sweet person. It depends on my mood if I want sweets or salty chocolates, because I love chocolates, but I love French fries too. I think I love French fries more, so I'm gonna have to give up chocolate. Would you rather get an expensive gift or go on vacation? I go back to, do you even know me? 1,000 times go on vacation. To me, the expensive gift, I mean, if you're giving me a vacation as a gift, that is my expensive gift, you know what I mean? But I'd rather go on vacation and have that experience experience. Do you know what I mean? Knowing, getting to know a new place, or even if it's not a new place, if it's just a little getaway somewhere, just having that outside time somewhere else, I like to experience that more than an expensive piece of jewelry or an expensive, I don't know what else is expensive. What's considered an expensive gift? A car or something, you know? I'm okay with the car I have. It gets me from point A to point B. That's all I need. So an expensive gift is not so high up here on my list of things I want. Much rather have a vacation. Ooh, I don't know about this next one. Would you rather have a secret admirer or be a secret admirer? That's a hard one. Can I skip it? Just kidding. I don't know. I would rather have a secret admirer. It's less awkward for me, I think. Yeah. Let's just go with that. Would you rather have flowers for hair or paper hearts for eyelashes? Flowers for hair, like your whole hair is flowers. Paper hearts. You know, that's actually kind of cute. Like imagine little tiny paper hearts. I don't know. Flowers for hair. Let me do a quick highlight on my Cupid's bow and then going into moisturize. I do the Cupid's bow highlight first because when I do it, I don't like to get it on the chapstick or on my lips. So this prevents that from happening. And on top of that, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump. And I like to do this step right now so that as I'm finishing the rest of my makeup, it gives my lips time to get that moisturize and that plumping effect. Let's contour up this face a little bit. And the next question is, would you rather watch a romantic movie or a funny movie? I'm all for funny movies. I love comedies and I could like watch the same comedy over and over again and it's still hilarious to me. So romantic movies are fun too, but not as fun as comedies. Would you rather vacation on the beach or snowy mountain cabin? See, that one is a hard one. Honestly, okay, we're talking about Valentine's Day, like this kind of time of the year. I think I'm going to go with, I had some time to think. I think for this time of year, I mean, we don't get too much snow here where I am. I haven't gone too much to like a snowy cabin as much as I've gone to the beach. So I think right now I'm feeling more a snowy cabin. I think that'll be fun. Okay, I think I want that now. Would you rather give a Valentine's Day gift or receive a Valentine's Day gift? I am much more of a giver. I think I like to give more than receive. So I would give Valentine's Day gifts. I love to. I like to give. Would you rather watch romantic movies or read romantic stories? Can I confess something to you guys? I think some of you know I don't like to read. That's horrible of me to say. I don't read books for enjoyment. I never have. So movies it is for me. Would you rather kiss a frog or kiss a spider? None of the above. Seriously, I have to pick? First of all, gross. I'm taking my Wet n Wild blush now. Thinking about the frog gets me kind of grossed out because I just imagine slimy and that's disgusting. A spider though, to get a spider that close to my face, I think would freak me out. Frog. Okay, frog. Frog because then I can pretend like I'm living out my Disney princess dream. Not really, it's never been a dream of mine. I'm just saying, it reminds me of the Princess and the Frog or something, so let's just go with frog. I can't believe I just said that. Let's go into blend all that's on my face. Would you rather eat a Valentine's cupcake or eat Valentine's candy? Cupcake for sure, because a Valentine's cupcake, can you just imagine? It's like maybe in the shape of a heart and it has like cute little pink frosting on it and sprinkles, and I don't know. I imagine the cupcake being a lot prettier. Sorry candy, but I just, you know, cupcake. I'm taking the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the shade Blossom Glow. Would you rather get a lot of Valentines from people you don't know very well or just get one from someone who is special to you? I prefer one. Have you ever heard that saying, quality over quantity? It's not about how much you have, it's about the quality of just that very few that you do have. I really believe in that. I'd rather receive one gift from that person that's really extremely special to me than receive gifts from people I don't know well. It's like, okay, I don't even know you, thanks, but I don't even know you that well. But any gift is very much appreciated anyways. But yeah, I'd rather have that special one. Would you rather have bright red skin or have your heartbeat so loud enough that everyone everyone in the room can hear it. That's hard because like, are we talking about just for one day have really bright skin? Because if that was like for my whole life, red skin I think would become an issue for me. I would not like that. But then at the same time, I think if my heartbeat was so loud that everyone could hear it in the room, it would be annoying to them and I would feel bad. And I wouldn't want to be around anyone for that reason. And I would be concerned, do I have a health problem? Why is my heart beating so loud? Am I gonna like, is it gonna explode? I'd rather have my heart beat loud enough for everyone to hear it in the room. Cause red skin ain't gonna, No. Next I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette, picking up the shade Love and applying that all over my eyelid up to my crease. The next question is, would you rather receive Valentines in email or receive handwritten Valentines? I think I prefer handwritten. Emails, I know you can like, it's like less clutter I guess, but I like to save stuff. I like to save cards in a special box and I like to look back at them, and I feel like when they're handwritten you can put a lot more like personality to it, or like you can get more personal with it. You can do a lot more decorating. I don't know, or maybe I'm just not that so savvy with emails. Handwritten, it's a lot more, you know, old school, old fashioned, but I like that, you know, having someone care enough to want to take time to actually put something together as in like handwritten. I think it's a lot more sentimental, or has more value to me than just an email. I hope I made sense. And the next one is, would you rather get to write the script for a Valentine's episode for your favorite TV show, or get to be in the Valentine's episode of your favorite TV show? I don't think I'm a very good actress, but it would be a fun experience. But I do like to write stuff. I don't like to read, but I do like to write, oddly enough. Just for the experience, I think I would like to be in a Valentine's Day episode of my favorite TV show. The next one asks, would you rather go to a Valentine's Day party with really good food but not much else to do, or would you rather go to a Valentine's Day party with no food but really fun games and activities? Well, first of all, I'm a really big foodie. I love food, but is that everything to me? No. To go to a party, you kind of expect food and you kind of expect fun also. I guess like if I knew there's gonna be no food, I can always eat before and I have no problem with that. Or I can just starve, you know, it's okay. I would much rather have games and activities to do. It's okay not to have food because I would forget that I'm hungry because I am occupied doing all the other fun stuff. This takes my full concentration, so just give me a minute. Let's see, a few more questions. Would you rather eat only red foods on Valentine's Day or only white foods on Valentine's Day? First, let me think. What red foods are there? There's strawberries, red bell pepper, ooh, spaghetti technically because the sauce is red, lasagna, and white foods. What kind of white foods are there out there? Milk? Eggs? I'm trying to think so I can make my decision based off of that, you know what I mean? We're gonna go with only red foods because that sounds yummy. Let's bake here for a little while we answer the next question. Would you rather eat heart-shaped dog treats or eat rose petals? Ew! Ew and ew. I've never eaten dog treats or dog food. It grosses me out just the thought of it. I don't know what they would taste like. But being the fact that they're in the shape of a heart, maybe it might convince me because they would look cute. Because it's hearts. Or eat rose petals. Again, I've never eaten rose petals. How am I supposed to know what they taste like? What if they're actually good? Actually, I'm thinking back to the Bean Boozled challenge. Oh, let's do mascara. Your first layer and then second layer. I think the brown one, it's chocolate pudding, and the disgusting one is dog food. Guys, it is disgusting. The dog treats, even though they're shaped like a heart, if it tastes anything like that, would make me throw up. I think I can tolerate rose petals. Are rose petals even edible though? I don't know. But just based based off of the fact of how I think they would taste, I would much rather eat rose petals than the dog treats. Would you rather receive a mushy Valentine or receive a funny Valentine? If I was younger, like if we're talking about maybe 10, 15 years ago, I would have preferred the mushy Valentine because, oh, so cute, oh, hopeless romantic kind of type. But as the years have gone by, I think now I would much rather receive a funny Valentine. I don't know. Like, I love to laugh. Now I think mushy and I'm like, not to be mean or anything, but my mentality or like the way I perceive things now have definitely changed. Mushy Valentine out, funny Valentine in. Let me go ahead and finish off the lips right now, then I'll answer the final 2 questions afterwards. So let me just kind of blot what I have on my lips. I'm going to be taking the Il Makiage Carly Bible lip liner in the shade Ablaze to line my lips and fill them in. And on top of that, I'm going to be taking the Milani Amore Matte Metallic Lip Cream in the shade Madly in Love. I want to use this one because it does give off that metallic effect and it just looks really, really pretty on the lips, and I feel like it's really, really gorgeous and pretty for Valentine's. Moving on to the last 2 questions. Would you rather have to always write with a red pen or pencil for the rest of your life, or have to dot all of your I's and J's with hearts for the rest of your life? I would rather dot all of my I's and J's with hearts because first of all, that's cute. And second of all, it doesn't restrict me from using any other colors that I want. And then last one is, would you rather get a Valentine's Day kiss from a big slobbery dog or get a Valentine's Day kiss from a camel? Disgusting. The one with the camel. I don't know you, camel. Second of all, I do have a big slobbery dog. Marley, have you met Marley? He's huge. He's very slobbery. He will slobber all over you. Yes, he already gives me slobbery kisses when I let him. So getting a Valentine's Day kiss from my Marley is absolutely 100 times yes to that. And the camel, sorry camel, I just don't know you and I'm not gonna let you kiss me. So that was all for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. Also, I'm going to tag anyone who wants to do this video. I'll go ahead and leave all the questions down in the description box, along with the names of the channels that I think would want to do this. Like off the top of my head right now, I can think of maybe Tiffany wanting to do this, Elizabeth, Crystal, Cleo. Those are just a few names that I can think of. You don't have to do it in this get ready with me kind of style video, and you don't have to do all of them if you don't want, but I would very much enjoy watching you guys do a video with some of these questions. So anyone else is free to do it as well. Other than that, please don't forget to subscribe down below if you're not yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!